Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook honeycomb tripe. First, let's talk about cleaning. Fresh honeycomb tripe needs a good wash. Rinse it under cold water for about 5 to 10 minutes, making sure to get rid of any bits that don't belong. You can also give it a quick soak in a solution of water and a 1/4 cup of white vinegar or lemon juice for about 15 minutes to help with any strong smells. This step is crucial for a delicious final dish. Now that your tripe is clean, the next step is pre-cooking to achieve that perfect tenderness. Tripe is quite firm, so it needs a good head start. Place the clean tripe in a large pot, cover it with fresh, salted water, and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for at least 30 minutes or even up to an hour. This process helps break down the tough fibers. Afterwards, drain the water and give the tripe another quick rinse. With your tripe pre-cooked, you're ready for the main event. Braising is a fantastic option, where you slow cook the tripe in a rich sauce with aromatics for 2 to 3 hours until it's incredibly tender. Stewing it with vegetables and broth also works wonderfully, allowing all those flavors to meld. For a different texture, you can even pan fry or grill pre-cooked tripe for a crispy finish. The key is patience. Cook until it's truly fork tender. Finally, let's talk about making your tripe dish truly delicious. Tripe loves strong, robust flavors. Think garlic, onions, and a touch of chili for a kick. Tomatoes, bell peppers, and hearty root vegetables like carrots and potatoes are excellent companions. Don't forget your herbs. Oregano, thyme, and bay leaves add wonderful depth. Serve your perfectly cooked, tender tripe hot, perhaps with some crusty bread to soak up all that amazing sauce. Enjoy your culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.